Hello students, today we are going to discuss some question on photoelectric effect. Our first question is, photoelectric effect, the work function of a metal is 3.5 electron volt. The emitted electron can be stopped by applying a potential of minus 1.2 volt. So what is happening here? In this question, a light of suitable frequency is falling on the surface and due to which electrons are ejecting. An electron starts flowing in the circuit. So due to flow of electron, we have a current opposite to the direction of electron. Okay. So to stop the flow of electron, we have to stop the current. So to stop the current, we apply a battery which gives current opposite to the direction of current. So here we have the battery, and in this way we have arranged the circuit, and in this way it can stop the flow of current. Now what the value is given in the question is work function is given, and its value is phi equal to 3.5 electron volt. Another value is given is stopping potential. Another value is stopping potential, and here Vs is equal to minus 1.2 volt. So to stop the flow of current, the energy given by the battery is equal to the kinetic energy of electron. So first we calculate the energy of the battery. EB is equal to E into stopping potential, and that value will come 1.2 electron volt, and it is negative. Now kinetic energy will be equal to this value. So kinetic energy is equal to mod of minus 1.2 electron volt, and it will give us plus 1.2 electron volt. So far we have kinetic energy. Now we apply Einstein law of photoelectric effect. So kinetic energy is equal to energy incident minus work function. So far we have both the value. We have kinetic energy, we have work function. So we put both this value and we will calculate energy incident. That will come, energy incident is equal to 1.2 plus 3.5, and in this way energy incident will come 4.7 electron volt. So this is the value that we have obtained in the end. Now if you look at the question, so first option is correct because it is saying that energy of incident photon is 4.7 volt, but second option will be wrong because it is saying that 2.3 electron volt. Now in the third option it is said that if higher frequency photon we use, the photoelectric current will rise. See here, whatever the current is coming, we are stopping by using stopping potential. So current won't rise, so this will also wrong. Now the last option, they said that energy of photon is 3.5 volts, so the current will be maximum. Photoelectric current will be maximum. Here, work function value is given 3.5 volts. So if the energy of incident photon is also 3.5 volts, they will be cancelled and the value of kinetic energy will be 0. So there will be no current in the circuit because there is no electron is flowing in the circuit. So this is also wrong. So in this way we have solved this problem. If you want to the whole solution, you can look at the solution in this way. Now we are moving further. Stopping potential versus frequency plot of a substance is shown in figure, and the threshold wavelength is. So they ask us to calculate the threshold wavelength. So we know that kinetic energy is equal to energy incident minus work function. Okay, and work function is equal to H into threshold frequency, or we can say H into C by threshold wavelength. Now if you see in the graph from 4 to 5 there will be no increase, and at that point I think at that frequency is less than threshold frequency, and that is why there is no value of stopping potential to stop the flow of electron. But after 5, if you see, the value of stopping potential has increased. That means the electron has some kinetic energy and they start flowing in the circuit. So because of that we have to apply stopping potential to stop the flow of electron. So 0.5 is the value of threshold frequency. So threshold frequency is, I think we have threshold frequency which is equal to 5 into 10 raised to the power 14 hertz. Now by using this we are going to calculate the value of threshold wavelength. That will come lambda naught is equal to c by v naught, and that is c is the velocity of light and whose value is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8. Frequency is 5 into 10 raised to the power 14, and from here we have calculated lambda naught and its value is 6 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 meter, and consequently lambda naught will come 6,000 angstrom. So this is the value of, so I think our B option is correct. Now we are moving towards another problem. Okay, so this is the problem is given. In this problem it is asked that which one of the following graph represents the variation of kinetic energy of the emitted electron with frequency V in photoelectric effect correctly. So again we apply the same formula. Kinetic energy is equal to energy incident minus work function. Now work function is having threshold frequency. So if the energy incident is less than the work function, or if the frequency of the energy incident is less than the threshold frequency, then kinetic energy will be 0, right? So till threshold frequency the kinetic energy will be 0. So among this graph, I think the fourth graph is representing that till threshold frequency the kinetic energy is 0, and beyond that if the energy incident is greater than 5, then kinetic energy also greater than 0, right? And that is also happening in this case. So option 4 is correct, because in this case the kinetic energy is increasing after the threshold frequency. So this is about this. Thank you so much.